Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got something different, something special. So as far as most of you that watch the channel regularly, I'm sure you know that last month I finally hit 100,000 subscribers. And in doing so, I finally got this in the mail from YouTube. So we're gonna open it up, take a look at what I got, and we're also gonna announce that tool giveaway I've been talking about since about 40,000 subscribers. So let's go ahead and tear this thing open and take a look. Open it up and we've got the letter here from the CEO of YouTube congratulating on 100,000 subscribers. It is a generic letter though that everybody gets and is not personalized in any way, which would be nice if they said, hey, Mr. Subaru, or hey, Robert, congrats, but nope, just a generic letter, so it is what it is. Got some black foam here protecting the award itself, and there it is in its little plastic baggie, the Silver Play Button Award. So it's gonna be kind of hard to show you guys this award on the video. It's super shiny and reflective, so kind of hard to make it out. There's not much contrast here, but as you see, presented to Mr. Subaru 1387 for passing 100,000 subscribers at YouTube, and the nice mirrored play button logo there. And here it is. Not quite as nice or well presented, I think, as the old play button, but I guess YouTube had to make it a little more simple than the old award due to the amount of people that were reaching 100,000 subscribers. This used to be like a big deal, and now not so much. Same as the gold play button for 1 million subs, but it's important to me, it's special to me. Cannot thank you guys enough that watch the videos, comment, like, share, interact, all that good stuff, both here on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on all the social medias. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be here, wouldn't be holding this if it weren't for you guys. And I really, really do mean that. So now that we've got it unpackaged, where we're gonna put it, I've cleared off a space in the toolbox, and I think we're gonna hang it up in my Epic. So this is the spot I cleared off. I've already got some pegs back here in the slots and dot system on the hutch. I'm just gonna blow the little bit of black fuzz off that's on the award from the packaging. And we are ready to put it up for display. If I can find the holes. And there it is. The play button in all its glory. Now to go for the gold. All right, so now that all the teary-eyed thank yous and all are out of the way, honestly, I really do appreciate it. Thank you all again for the support and the silver play button. But now it's time to give back to you guys and deliver on my promise for the big tool giveaways that I've been talking about for the better part of a year now. So we've got the Gen 1 3/8 mid-torque. It's the 2852 with 150 battery and a charger, not pictured. And we've got the 2767 high torque half-inch drive impact with a 50 battery and a charger, not shown. I know the box says 1 key and it says it's a 2863, but that is not the case. This is a 2767 normal high torque, not the 1 key version. It's just in the box. So don't try to come at me and say I bait and switched you guys. This is a 2767. So, entry is very simple and very easy as my other giveaways in the past. So, to get into this giveaway for your chance to win, very simple, very easy as all my other giveaways in the past. Like the video, easy enough. Be subscribed to the channel, also easy enough, free and just 1 click away. Would help if you turned your notifications on. But the other thing you got to do is comment below hashtag Mr. Subaru Milwaukee 100K giveaway. I'm going to put it right here on the screen. You have to copy this exactly in your comment, so do so very carefully. If it's incorrect or misspelled, it will not pick you when I go to draw randomly for the winners. But you got to start your comment with hashtag Mr. Subaru Milwaukee 100K giveaway. And then, you know, comment a little something about how my videos have helped you, why you watch the channel, or what you may be doing with these tools if you win. That's really all you got to do to enter. Super, super easy. I hope that these go to somebody that is really in need of them. Hopefully a young technician, someone in the industry, or one of you DIYers that are pretty active in working on your own vehicle. I can't dictate who gets it and who doesn't, but you know, I would like it to go to somebody that's actually going to use it, and hopefully not somebody that's going to take it and resell it on Facebook Marketplace. But if you do, I mean, that's out of my hands once I ship it out to the winners. So we're going to put this up and run this video, run this giveaway for 1 week from the upload date, which I don't know yet. So I will put it on the screen right now in editing and let you know when this is posting and when the final time to comment and get into the entry is. I'll also put on the screen right now when I plan to do the giveaway drawing and how I will announce it. I will comment for you to give me your email address, and I will email you, and we'll get together on shipping address and all that good stuff so I can get this stuff to the winners. So that's basically it. Thank you guys so much again for the silver play button. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for the views, the likes, the shares, the interaction, the comments. Really, really, honestly do appreciate it. And congrats in advance. Good luck to all of you that are going to be entering into the giveaway for these Milwaukee power tools. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. FYI, this is not a Milwaukee sponsored giveaway or video. I purchased these with my own money about a year ago on a really good Home Depot hack. Is how I got them so cheap with the 5.0 batteries, and I had some extra chargers to do this giveaway. So big ups to Milwaukee. I love their tools, but they did not sponsor this. They did not give me these tools to give away.